Dude, it's so smooth.
Fuck, on the vert? Oh shit. What's good? Damn.
Dummyz Automotive.
Yeah.
We will fix your car, maybe, depending on what it is.
Hey,
we
pop that door.
specialize in Nissan, fucking Lexus, and Mazda.
Let me see that suicide door.
Imagine.
Oh, what's good? What's good?
Okay, I see the chips.
Oh, that was you. Munchie man.
Yup.
What's Gucci?
Where I took the door out?
Let me park.
Welded diff. Peep the welds be.
Ooh, look at that. You gonna slide now? Tonight. Ah, he's ready. The bird's ready, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can slide tonight.
Damn, look at those wheels. Okay. God damn, you did a good job. Here.
Kinda does.
Thanks.
What are you doing?
Just trying to work on the Lexus. I'm
Yeah.
already done.
Damn.
I installed all the LEDs in the interior, and then I put LEDs on the quarter.
So it's a full track.
Damn, where'd you find it?
My friend gave them to me.
Ah, that's fucking sick. Look at these. Ooh, clear. Damn, boy.
Because Trump money is not enough for these.
Oh, okay. Look at that lip.
It's worth more than your rent.
Ooh, flexing.
Good thing I don't pay rent.
With a $1 Arizona over there. Look at that.
No? What's the difference?
It's the same thing.
Are you sure you're torquing them?
Nah. We don't torque here at Dummyz Automotive. We go ugga.
Let me see. Ball angle. Okay, now we have to come to this problem. What happened over here? It's too short?
Yeah.
Too short inner. Are they Maxima?
Yeah. Yeah.
And they're too short. You have that much angle?
It's like this.
Sheesh, dog.
Aren't you supposed to have like an inch of?
Sheesh, man.
This is not long.
How long is your lower control arm?
Not long.
Like up, like 30 mil?
Plus 15 more.
Oh.
Did my Nismo one, so.
What the fuck? I've never seen this before.
This is some boofage. This is apparently GK Tech, but.
What the hell?
This is
Usually
not-
they cut it here and then they just shorten that.
Yeah.
But why is it lower? And like, for hella more angle?
For low cars, I think.
It's a drop knuckle.
It is a drop knuckle.
It's literally a drop.
62% until the Crow's Landing vlog.
Oh, damn, it's still fucking uploading.
Yeah, it's been that long.
Sheesh. Go check it out. By the time this video comes out, it'll be a month after the video.
It's only been a month.
What the fuck? Bro, let's just put door bars.
That's what we were saying.
Hell yeah.
Jeep style.
Hell yeah, that'd be
Like, dude,
sick.
imagine some door
Because
bars.
the vert too?
Bro, they'll let you slide because Jeeps do that.
That's slamming like a man.
He said, "What's a man? Show me what's a real man."
Oh. Oh.
Pulls out his lanyard.
Where did you get those masks? Where did you get them?
That's the only way. I made it.
You made it? Can I have one? Can I buy one? It matches my car. Okay. Oh, dude, it matches my car. Hell yeah. Fuck.
Big turn up. Turning 20 years old, boys.
What?
Not a little kid no more.
Oh, what's up?
He a big 20.
Ooh. He hit the twos?
Feel like it's a normal day.
Exactly.
We're gonna make it feel like your birthday.
Yeah,
We're gonna
yeah.
be on the bad ones. We're gonna be on that. Did I hit you?
No?
I thought I hit you with this.
No.
I wouldn't mind. Yeah, I literally
He said only ones for his birthday is big booty hoes.
No. We'll get him one. We'll get him one.
I'll do 40. Because I know him. I get that.
Thank you. My birthday present.
Yep.
Much for that one?
Oh, that's a smaller one, huh?
Yeah.
Compared to the blue
I
one?
told you they're both different.
They look basically the same, bro.
Hey, look at the bearing though. It's good.
That's like me with two different under controllers.
I know. I was like, what the fuck?
But I got them over there.
Damn, bro.
That's how much thread I have.
God damn it. That's enough.
Just get the GK Tech one.
He was using them like this. I was like, nah, fo, like this.
I love ramen.
In my Lexus it says I love
Sushi?
IGzz.
I know. Oh.
You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. I love bent it.
Oh. Oh. How
is he gonna listen to the radio? He's all rolling around like that.
Oh, why the fuck I go too quick?
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
If you have give to me, I'm sure for you.
Oh, yeah?
I did today. That's why I
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, this is really good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Right now, and I don't know where to buy the puppet.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you have, you give to I share for you.
My gosh, thank
I
you.
can do, I got 1 hour ago.
Oh, yeah? Brand new, fresh?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, thank you. Dude, this is sick. Look at this. Look at this.
He made that?
Oh, this shit's sick.
Alright, I'm gonna try putting in the bottom one too.
There's hella other different kinds of.
Yeah, this is tight too. Because some are hella loose.
There's no way I'm able to hold this alone.
It was good. What'd you think?
Did you shout him out?
Leave a like for the masks.
Jeez, look at that toe in. That's a race car right there. Yeah, I just had to spike up. Like, it just kicked itself back like that. There you go. Alright, we're done. Let's go. Drop the car.
Drop the car on the diff. It's almost in.
Dummyz Automotive, we'll get your diff in 30 minutes.
Damn!
You feel it?
I know. He's numb. Ooh, that shit is wet. It's good, it's good.
That was weird. We need to redo that.
We need to redo that. No, he's gonna put a fat ass LED bar.
Hey, D. Can I close your hood?
That shit is wet.
Just put a light bar in between.
Shit, that'd be
The
sick.
clear taillights are gonna look hella sick.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Dude, look at your fitment in the rear. What the? Why'd you that look normally? No, just fine.
Where the baddies at?
Like,
He's
dude,
looking for a baddie for his
mechanical,
birthday.
Hey, when you're lazy,
Damn. Comment below your sister's IGzz.
oh hell yeah! about to dive in.
Sisters, cousins,
Cousins, everybody, mamas.
especially cousins.
Update. We got all the bolts in. Now I'm just tightening everything and then we could drop the car on the ground.
Fuck, man.
Hell yeah.
Fucking 240s.
I love them.
I love them.
They're so easy to work on.
Just like Miatas?
Yeah. Nah, Miata, dude, Miata, you have to like put down the whole PPF, the power plant frame.
Yeah.
It's like a big frame that goes all the way down the chassis.
Eesh.
It's such a pain, dude. One time I dropped one of the big bolts that go into the PPF, and it fell right on my cheek. And it left a big circle and hella red. It was bleeding. I was
Hater.
I was like, Miatas are haters, so I sold it.
Yep.
And I got a Lexus.
Yep. Yeah, that's something. Why are we here?
Because I don't have a drum bit.
Fuck. At least they're open.
I hope they are. I hope they have it.
Sad boy hours. Damn it. No luck. Round two? Round
So weird autos out there.
Round two?
Look at
It is weird. It was fucking Burger King before this problem. What'd you get? You didn't get no Dremel shit?
I got 2 LEDs though.
Damn, what did he want?
The rims.
Damn!
I was like, nah, I just got them, bro. He's like, come on, 2. I'll go buy them off.
He's like, I didn't even rock him for a week.
Yeah, I just started getting compliments about them. Like, gee.
Pizza time. 4 pizzas. Gone.
Pizza party.
Stacking. CBD woke smoke.
Pizza party.
We're putting in the engine. Yeah?
Pizza here.
We're putting the motor in.
That's Dummy Automotive.
Dummy Automotive.
Every time you pass by, they're doing something else.
Cheers. Ah, don't touch it. Fucking COVID. And the vert is on the ground.
Oh, wait, we're going to fall off the thing.
Alright, ready?
Let's hear this.
Yee!
Oh, she's turning. She's turning.
Alright, boys, we'll be back.
We heard you. Damn, how was it?
It's a swinger.
Yeah? Yee!
You guys are gonna see it first.
Oh shit.
I knew yours were
Dude, it's so smooth.
Fuck. On the vert? Fuck.
Who filmed it? Me.
Shit.
Let me see how it looks on the out.
Damn,
It
dog.
looks so good.
Worked on it for 4 days.
For real. That baby looks good sideways.
Damn, on the vert? Hee.
Had to hit that manji out. Dude, but it sucks because you can't clutch kick.
Oh, shit.
It's all throttle control.
You have to drop it into neutral and rev it up and then.
Oh,
For real. That's how you break the trans. But hey, we should try that with this because you're going manual.
Oh, fuck, bruh. Shit.
Imagine.
All
Fuck.
Hey, Ray. Imagine for Manji, you use your hands, so you neutral bomb.
yeah.
You're like,
Last words for Dummyz Automotive?
And go do a donut.
no, these aren't the last ones.
Last words for Dummyz Automotive?
Oh yeah, we're closing up shop.
Yeah.
This shop's getting closed.
We
down.
out. We out. That was a long day.